Oops. Oh, I thought I took a picture. Okay, anyways, Melissa's eating an orange, like I was in the other video. And now that her hands are actually clean, yep, she's gonna take over for me, and it's gonna be my turn. Okay. We're gonna do the same thing, except I'm gonna count this time.
She has a bigger mouth, don't worry.
1.
Don't chew it.
I'm not. I'm pushing over the side of my mouth.
No.
2. 3. That's 3, right?
Yep.
4. 5. 6.
Dude, bitch got strategy.
7.
Deep throat it.
9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Right here. And right now. 14.
Didn't your mother ever teach you not to talk with your mouth full? If you spit those on me, I'll cry. 14. Drooling a little loudly. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 20. Sounds disgusting. Ew. It's hard, I told you. Oh.